Seeking the best ring lights for video recording? The quest ends here. Dive into the world of top-notch ring lights, perfect for any video recording need. Today, we'll explore the top 5 ring lights from the renowned Whaleco Inc. on Temu.com, a trusted platform for quality and innovation. And starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Luminary L5. This ring light not only offers 3 color modes, but also 10 levels of brightness. Adaptable and versatile, the Luminary L5 is a solid choice for those starting their vlogging journey. At number 4, we find the Illuminated Iris. With its impressive 50 LEDs and adjustable color temperature, the Iris will ensure your videos always shine brightly. It's a stellar choice for those seeking an upgrade in their lighting game. Moving to number 3, we have the Radiant Ringmaster. This light not only provides a stunning soft light halo, but also boasts a built-in light diffuser. The Ringmaster ensures a professional lighting setup, making it a favorite among seasoned vloggers. Next, the runner-up in our list, the Glowing Gem G2. This ring light sets the bar high with its dual color temperature and exceptional brightness range. Coupled with its extendable stand, the G2 offers flexibility and adaptability, making it a brilliant choice for any video recording environment. Finally, taking the number 1 spot, we present the Lustrous Lux L One. With its superior LED count, adjustable brightness, and color temperature, the Lux L1 sits at the pinnacle of ring lights. It offers seamless Bluetooth control, adding a touch of convenience to your video recording experience. So, there you have it, folks. The top 5 ring lights from Temu.com, each offering unique features to make your video recording experience nothing short of amazing. Remember, the right lighting can make a world of difference, so take your pick and light up your vlog like a pro.